Cueto pitching, and he's about set to go to work against the Twins lineup. And Cueto unloading, and he struck him out swinging. Cueto kicks and deals, and that's a strikeout swinging. So Johnny is coming back.
Pena sets up on the inside corner, and they strike him out looking. Now the 1-ball, 2-strike pitch. And Johnny coming to the plate. Got him. Swing and a miss, strike 3. The high hard one in back-to-back fashion. And the 2-2. Got him. Swing and a miss.
And our visitors also make it very possible.
And with that thought in mind, as May strikes out.
3-2 pitch. Struck him out looking.
By only a run. And he put him away. A swing and a miss. Ignoring. Runner goes. Pitches swung on. And a very high fly ball hit to right. Going over near the line to gather it in and end the inning is Jay Bruce. We'll finish it up when we return. The Reds 2 and the Twins 1.